Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, today's program on 15 proven strategies for weight loss. Losing weight can be a challenging journey, but with the right strategies and a positive mindset, you can achieve your weight loss goals. In this segment, we will explore 15 effective techniques that have been proven to help people shed those extra pounds. So, let's dive right in. Are you aiming for a specific weight or clothing size? Write it down and keep it visible as a reminder of what you're working towards. 2. Create a support system. Surround yourself with people who are on board with your weight loss journey. Share your goals with friends and family who can offer encouragement, and consider joining support groups or finding a workout buddy to keep you accountable. Strategy number 3. Adopt a balanced diet. Focus on incorporating whole, nutrient-dense foods into your meals. Fill your plate with lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Remember, it's not about deprivation but about making healthy choices. Number 4. Practice portion control. Be mindful of your serving sizes and listen to your body's hunger cues. Avoid eating until you're stuffed, and instead, aim for feeling comfortably satisfied. Portion control can help you manage calorie intake and prevent overeating. Strategy number 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water not only supports overall health but also aids in weight loss. Water can help suppress your appetite, boost metabolism, and enhance digestion. So, grab that water bottle and make hydration a priority. 6. Incorporate regular exercise. Find physical activities that you enjoy and make them a part of your routine. Whether it's walking, jogging, dancing, or weightlifting, aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. 7. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is essential for weight loss. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hunger hormones and lead to increased cravings and a slower metabolism. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to support your weight loss efforts. Strategy number 8. Manage stress. Stress can lead to emotional eating and hinder weight loss progress. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as practicing mindfulness, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies that bring you joy. Strategy number 9. Keep track of progress. Monitor your weight loss journey by recording your achievements. Keep a food journal, track your workouts, and take progress photos to see how far you've come. Celebrate your milestones along the way. 10. Stay consistent. Remember that weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient and stay committed to your goals, even during challenging times. Consistency is key to achieving long-lasting results. Strategy number 11. Seek professional guidance. If you're struggling with weight loss, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized advice and guidance based on your specific needs. 12. Practice self-love. Embrace your journey and love yourself throughout the process. Celebrate the small victories, be kind to yourself when faced with setbacks, and remember that true transformation begins from within. 13. Prioritize mindful eating. Mindful eating can help you appreciate food more, recognize when you're full, and make healthier choices. 14. Diversify your workouts. Keep your exercise routine exciting and challenging by trying different activities. Explore various fitness classes, outdoor adventures, or even virtual workouts to keep your body and mind engaged. 15. Practice stress relief techniques. Find relaxation methods that work for you, such as yoga, meditation, or taking relaxing baths. By managing stress effectively, you can reduce the chances of turning to food for comfort and stay focused on your weight loss goals. And there you have it, 15 proven strategies for weight loss. Remember, everyone's journey is unique, so find what works best for you. Combine these strategies with determination, patience, and a positive mindset, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals. Thank you for joining us today, and best of luck on your journey to a healthier you.